Oh my God, you're back! And you're here in person!
No, you're back. You were gone. I was here.
Yeah, that's right. It's Health in 2.0. Let's catch up with this guy.
Hello, Mr. Massa.
I tried to replace you.
You tried. You replaced me with about 4 people, but I am back. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you're back.
All right. This is the non-takeover edition of Health 2.0.
Mm-hmm. The regular.
The regular. I'm back. And I guess, what are we going to do? You're going to ask me questions?
I am, for 2 minutes. Do you have your timer ready? We're doing the selfie style. And
selfie
your arms
style.
Are
Okay, No, I have to pick up my timer in the other hand.
Got it?
Let's see if I can do that.
Oh my God. The balancing act that's happening here. It's the drama of this. See, this show is just so
okay, there we go.
hard
high
to
tech,
produce.
high tech.
All right, ready? Start that timer.
Go.
Here we go. Talkspace raises $50 million in a D round. D, are they almost done? Are they going to IPO?
Well, it seems to be on the verge of working. I mean, it's a lot of money to raise, and it's a dual-sided marketplace, right? They have to get buyers who are people, who need mental health help, which
is pretty much everybody.
Pretty much all of us. Present company probably included. And it's about $200 a month to buy in, and they have psychologists, they take a cut. I think the problem with that is that the other big telehealth vendors, Teladoc has its own BetterHelp platform, and then you've got the others who are getting in there. So even Lemonade Health, which is they launched a $95 a month program, and my friends at Supportive have got a peer support model that's a lot cheaper than that, which so there are a gazillion other people in that market. Having said that, there are leaders emerging, and there's a lot more money going there. There was a new company called Workspace. Christ, I forgot the name of it. Mental Help, I think, which launched with $9 million this week. So a lot of money going to mental health.
Lots of consumer options too, which is great. All right, Heal getting a little bit of flack today for adding telehealth to their house call service.
Well, they've been doing more of that because they already added kind of monitoring at home and telehealth. They are what Indu and I call the sort of services layer on top of the technology stack, stack flipping thing that I've been telling you about. And I think, the house call thing, the house call business fundamentally isn't economic, so you've got to do something else. But if house calls are part of a process in which you're monitoring and doing a lot of our stuff using technology, it might work, and that's presumably where they're going. All
right, Apple acquires Tuo last year, and we're finding out about it now.
Well, Apple is always secretive, right? They sneakily acquired Bennett, they sneakily acquired Glimpse, did the same with Tuo Health. This is a monitoring tool for childhood asthma, and presumably they're building out something bigger in that space, expecting to do stuff in other space too.
Pokemon Sleep, what the hell is going on? And Pillow raises $11 million. I know we're out of time, but I asked the question, what the hell? What the hell are these dollars going for, Matthew? Robots and
Jess,
Pokemon?
there is nothing. I don't understand. So, sleep is a big deal, even if you require, the idea of my children waking up in the middle of the night shows up in the sleep tracker app, all very well. Robots, they're all very cool. Little robot that looks in your house and will actually give you pills. Maybe it'll encourage you to...
I can't even program my coffee machine.
Well, I don't think the robot's going to be programmed by the senior using it. It's going to be programmed by somebody else. It's got to be simple to use. We'll see how it approaches out. There are some others in that space as well. Kitalia's got their own robot and blah, blah, blah. And then, did you ask me about the zipline guys? Because drones...
I did not ask you about that, but they got $1.2 million.
They got, but basically, avatars, drones, and robots are going to take over the world, and they're coming to health technology. What's the problem?
I'd rather talk about that than things that will help with interoperability. Let me just say that this is a lot more sexy than rev cycle management.
Oh, those poor cycle management people.
Oh my God, I love them.
They're dropping off. You'll never hear from the senior health ever again.
With you again. Win me back. All right. So if you want to try to win us back, you can get in touch with us. Please do on Twitter. I am at Jess DeMassa. He is at BoltyBoy, of course. And to never miss an episode, make sure that you go to thehealthcareblog.com and sign up for our little e-newsletter. Not only do you get this show baked in, do you have something to say? You're sighing over here like, oh my God. Not only do you get this show baked into the newsletter, but you also get some of the clips from the best stories that are posted on the blog through the weeks. So make sure to check that out and sign up. And you can always follow us along on YouTube. You can subscribe to our channel, Health in 2.0.
You didn't ask about one thing.
Oh my God, I ran out of time.
No, why am I wearing the Chelsea hat?
Why are you wearing a Chelsea? You're always wearing a Chelsea shirt.
No, I haven't been wearing it today because we won the Europa League in Baku, Azerbaijan. Armenia? Azerbaijan? Someplace no one's ever heard of. Chelsea played another team from London and they beat the Arsenal and they beat them and they had to go like 19,000 miles across Asia to get the place to play in. So Europa League victors, the competition nobody wants to be in because the Champions League is coming up this week.
And with that sports report, that's Matthew Holt. Thanks so much for joining us.
I wanted to be a sports reporter.
Yeah, I wanted to do the weather.
And that was
All right, guys, that's enough of this. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.